reporter Catherine Norris Trent, who's at the Central Court for us there. I mean, Catherine, it really is crunch day for Le Pen and for the far right. Explain to us exactly what the decision is, first of all.
Good morning, Stuart, from a very busy Central Courthouse. First of all, there's hundreds of journalists down here for this really significant verdict. This trial is an appeal. Marine Le Pen was found guilty last year, along with several other members of her party, the National Rally, of embezzling more than 4.4 million euros of European public funds, which was intended for European parliamentary assistance for MEPs in the parliament there, which Marine Le Pen and her colleagues are accused of using to pay for jobs and services for National Party workers who weren't anything to do with the European Parliament. Now, they denied those charges. They are appealing, but if found guilty, the consequences could be very significant indeed for Marine Le Pen. She could be barred from running for presidential office. She already was at the first trial, and that was, unusually here in France, applied immediately, which created a lot of debate, even uproar on the far right here in France, of people saying that this was a political verdict designed to keep Marine Le Pen and her party from power. They are the favourites in the polls for next year's French presidential election as things stand.
Catherine, there are all sorts of different scenarios about what could happen today, but explain to us what it could actually mean.
So if Marine Le Pen is acquitted, she'll be free to run as the National Rally's candidate for 2027, her fourth attempt at the presidency, and perhaps this trial could even give her a bit of a boost in the polls. If she is found guilty, then we need to look at what sentence will be applied. If a 5-year ban on holding political office is maintained, then that would rule her out from running for the presidency in 2027. But even if it was a reduced ban on holding office of, say, 2 years, she served some of that sentence already. It would run out just before the presidential election in April next year. And Marine Le Pen has said that she wouldn't stand in such a scenario because she wouldn't be able to campaign effectively. And then there are other sentences too. Would she perhaps have some kind of electronic tag that she'd have to wear as part of a suspended jail sentence? She said she wouldn't run for office if that were the case, because she wouldn't be able to campaign freely. So if she's not able to stand, basically the National Rally switches to their plan B, which is not a secret. It's Jordan Bardella, the 30-year-old protege of Marine Le Pen, who has already been lined up, they've said, to serve as presidential candidate if indeed she is not able to run.